And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and prop firm trading, and uh, making money doing all those things. So let's get into it. Let's get into the risk disclaimer screen. Here's what we have for risk disclaimer. Since I'm in the United States, and it's I think it's required by law that I say these things. I know it was when I was a broker back 20 years ago, but here we go. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm not a professional. I'm a professional trader, not a broker. Trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And then here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's see. Let me get logged into this other thing here. And we will take a look at some stuff. So let's see what's going on today. So here's the trading challenge. And let's go to inactive because, yep, you guessed it. I blew it yesterday. Here we have this is what it looks like when you fail the challenge. The challenge that I was in, I did not do well on because I exceeded my daily loss for the day. Now I should have stopped trading yesterday, but I didn't. I thought maybe it was going to bounce, but it didn't. It bounced up and then took a turn in the other direction for silver. And also learned a big thing about silver. It's got a lot closer to. It's a much less liquid market, and it's much easier to do some stuff for it to turn on you and not come back. So with that, let's get into what's going on in the markets today. This is going to be fairly quick. Not a whole lot going on today with the DXY. It's kind of it's pulled off of 99 a little bit. It's down around 98.88 level. Let's go ahead and see what the currency strength meter, baby pips. It's my favorite. It's right here. And here we are. Let's see what's going on here. We have the Aussie's the top currency right now, so to speak. Dollars on the bottom. So interesting with that. Euro and the pound is the second strongest currency right now. So with that, let's go over here and we'll take a look and see what's going on. DXY is down. That's on the 4-hour chart, so it's down around 98.83. Kind of meandering around a little bit. Pull back to about the 5-0 off the high. 5-0 level off the high. That's a double top, by the way, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Maybe coming down a little bit further. Euro versus the dollar. Pulled up a little bit because the DXY is pulled down a little bit because it's on dollar weakness, a little bit weaker dollar. Not as strong on the euro side, so getting into this area of selling right here. So we should see some more selling action coming up here. Not much of a trade there, so I'm not really going to consider that one. Bearish invalidation. Where's my other one? I got a bullish level, a bullish breakdown's right there. So we're still well above this 115, 114 level. So we're not going to get into that. Let's see. What do we have here? 150. It's kind of an interesting thing right here on the dollar yen as it comes down to approaching long-term support. Might be a good move to get underneath that one and give that one a shot. That one should be probably it's going to retrace all the way down here at some point. We don't know when that's going to happen, but it should be pricing in the rate cuts, anticipated rate cuts coming soon on the BOJ side. But we also have a 25 pip rate. 25 basis point rate cut coming up, anticipated on the U.S. side too. So those two may cancel each other out, and we may have a lot of meandering going on with the dollar versus the yen. Yeah, still looking at 97.8% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut in October. So with that, we come over here, Great British Pound. Here we go. Versus the dollar, again, a lot of bounciness going on. Not really a whole lot of. It looks very, very range bound to me right there. So we're not going to get into that one. Pound versus the yen, again, very range bound. All of a sudden. So it's hovering about right at the 50% retrace point. As a matter of fact, on the 50% retrace point right now for the pound versus the yen after that monster move 2 weeks ago on Sunday, about a week and a half ago on Sunday. Dollar versus the CAD. Again, it's 140. Seems to love 140.40. So it's come back down off of its highs of can't see what that is. 140.80. So it had a nice big 80 pip run, and then it's backing down. Right, this is going to be interesting right here. We're going to see if support turns into resistance at this later, or pardon me, resistance turns into support at this level. So we'll see what's going on with the CAD yen. That may be something to get onto long term, for a long-term trade. CAD versus the yen, again, coming down. Anticipating, again, a rate cut from Japan, and also the price of oil. We didn't take a look at oil. Oil is way down here. 58.72 on a week low. And on a monthly level, let's go to weekly. See if we can find out a fairly long-term trajectory for this. So this could come down as low as 55 a barrel. That would be interesting. If we're going to a worldwide recession, then we'll see Let's see it below 55 a barrel. Dollar versus the yen. Pardon me, Aussie versus the dollar. Again, this is awfully choppy. I wouldn't get into this myself right now. Oh, that's weekly. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, and again, this is very choppy. So I don't think I would get into that because of it's illiquid markets. They're not as liquid as the euro that I like a lot. I like the downside on the euro. I think we're going to see that coming down a good bit. Gold's pushing, knocking on 4,200 door right now, 41.97. So we're looking at 41.97 on gold. Silver has bounced back. $4,200 gold. Just 2 months ago, I was sitting there thinking it's going to be a long time before we see $4,000 gold, and now we're looking at 4,200 gold. Silver is at 52.73 an ounce. So my latest purchase was this Silver Eagle right here. Can't see it. Silver Eagle right here for $60 on eBay, which is $8 over spot. That's very, very nice. That's also a 2011 First Strike MS70, Mint State 70 Silver Eagle. So if you're into coins, you know what that means. And that's a very nice purchase. Other than that, that's all I've got today. I'm not going to be trading today. Kind of taking a break after blowing the challenge yesterday. I'll get to another challenge probably next week. Next week on payday. We'll see if I can get into another one, and I think I can. So with that, I'm going to let you go. That's not really a whole lot. Don't really have a whole lot to say today. Got to go to the day job because the day job is what puts food on the table, not Forex trading, which is much more realistic of a scenario than trading for income. So with that, I'm going to let you go. You guys have a great one. If you like this video, then by all means press the thumbs up doohickey, little button. If you want to see when I'm going to put out more videos, which is daily, then go ahead and click and subscribe to the channel. And if you really want to get crazy, leave a comment, and I'll reply back, and we'll go from there. So you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.